Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about that unit number 6, solid state. Unit number 6, solid state, page number 186. Packing in crystal. Packing in crystal. In the fruit stall, how the fruits are packed, how the fruits are arranged in a different direction. We know that one. Like that, in a crystal, the constituent, that is, it may be an atoms or molecules or ion, how they are arranged, that we are going to discuss now. And one more point, how to pack the identical sphere to create cubic and hexagonal unit. First, you have to learn about the linear arrangement of sphere in one-dimensional. Otherwise, you can be say the arrangement of sphere in one-dimensional, the arrangement of sphere in two-dimensional, the arrangement of sphere in three-dimensional. First, you have to thorough it. What is about the linear arrangement? What is about the two-dimensional arrangement? First, you have to discuss about that linear arrangement. The atoms or ions or molecules are maybe arranged in a linear or straight line. Okay. That we are saying the linear arrangement. First, I am going to draw one diagram about the linear arrangement of the sphere. Linear arrangement of sphere. Okay. My dear children, here what do you understand about the linear arrangement? It is a straight line arrangement. All of you know that one. It is a straight line arrangement. But what we understand here in this figure, the arrangement of each sphere is in contact. Am I right? Each sphere is in contact with two neighboring spheres on both sides. Am I right? Here in this arrangement of each sphere is contact with two neighboring sphere on either side. This type of an arrangement is called as linear arrangement of sphere in one direction. Second one, two-dimensional close packing. Two-dimensional close packing. Here we have two different types of two-dimensional close packing. One is about that A arrangement, that is A type. Another one, AB type. These are the two types you have to discuss now. First, I am going to draw the diagram. Okay. For the A type, I'm going to the diagram. One more diagram I'm going to draw. One more diagram. each spear must be, we can be say the straight, okay, that's one spear is touch with other spear, okay, like that you have to, such a way you have to try it, okay. Maximum the center one you have to give the different color to identify which spears are the neighboring spear, like that you have to arrange, you have to find that one. So suppose if you are diamonds, you have to give the different color like that. You have to identify which are the spears, which are the neighboring spears or contact in this area. The four spear are going to touch. Okay, so we have to discuss that one. So you have to give the different color like that. Okay, different colors. Now different colors. The contacting spear, which are the contacting spear, how to identify. Okay, so anyhow, the linear arrangement of spear is one direction. This is always repeated, that we can be say it is a two-dimensional. Repeating means we can be say two-dimensional. That means the first linear arrangement having only one row. Here we can be give 3 row. Otherwise we can be say the more number of rows. Okay. Here the more number of rows can be generated identical to one-dimensional arrangement. Here first one I am giving the name like that A. Second row also I am giving the name is like that A. Third row also I am giving the name like that A. Am I right? That is A, like that. If I am taking only the 3, so only I am taking A, one row for A, second row for A, next third one for another A. Am I right? So I am giving 3A. Okay, A, like that. Okay. Here, all spear of different row are arranged in a vertically and also horizontally. The first row as a A-type arrangement and the above are packed as, because I am giving the name A like that, so I packed as A type. What is the reason means? All rows are identical. Am I right? Here all rows are identical as the first one. All rows are identical as the first one. So here what we are going to learning means which are the contacting spear. Which are the contacting spear. Just I am taking the center of this spear, this one spear. For understanding, everyone is contact, all of you know that one. Everyone is contacting. In this arrangement, each spears are contact, am I right? So as I am taking this one. This spear is contact with 4 different spear. That we can be say contact with 4 of its neighbors. 4 of its neighbors. These are all identical spear. Okay, all are identical spear. So here each spears are contact with, each spear is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. Next one is about that AB type. AB type. Here I am going to draw the diagram like that. First one spear. First one spear. First one. I mentioned like that A. Second one. Second one I am going to draw. The second row spear are arranged in here such a way that it is fit in the depression of the first row. Okay, in between this gap we can be say here the first row, the gap only we can be draw it on. Here also this gap. Okay, can you understand? Fit in the depression of the first row. Okay. Okay, the second I mentioned like that B. Third again I am going to draw that one, third one. That is first row same as similar to the third row. First and the third row is a similar. Okay, like that I am going to draw because to minimize the gap. Am I right? Anyhow, the first one is similar to the third one. Otherwise, you can be say the third one is similar to the first one, first row, and the second one is the similar to the fourth row. Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one having first and third are the similar, and the second and fourth are the similar. Like that, we have to repeat fifth and sixth also. So first row I mentioned like that A, second row I mentioned like that B, third row I mentioned like that A, fourth row I mentioned like that B, fifth row I mentioned like that A, sixth row also I mentioned like that B. So we can be say AB, AB, AB. Why we are saying AB, AB like that? Here the arrangement is repeating. The pattern is repeating as AB, AB, AB. The arrangement is repeating. Otherwise, you can be say the pattern is repeating. Okay. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighboring sphere. 6 of its neighboring sphere. On comparing these two arrangements, that is first linear arrangement. These two arrangement, linear the two-dimensional close packing, that is AAA arrangement, and AB arrangement. This two-dimensional arrangement, that is AAA type arrangement, and also AB type arrangement. We found that the closest arrangement, which one is the closest arrangement, means AB type, because there is no gap. Am I right? A small gap only present there. So which one is the closest arrangement? AB type. Okay. Next we have discussed about that one, the simple cubic arrangement. Another one arrangement, simple cubic arrangement. Okay, that is about the three-dimensional packing. Okay, first one arrangement is about the linear. Second one is about the that is a two-dimensional arrangement. That is A type and AB type. Okay, the third one is about that it is obtained by the repeating of A type two-dimensional arrangements in three-dimensional. Okay, three-dimensional. One more dimension. The sphere is one layer is sitting directly on the top of those of the previous layer, so that all layers are identical. That is, we can be say the first one is over, second one is over. Then in between the back side also you have to arrange such a way like that. Another one arrangement is also having. Okay. Here, all the sphere of different layers of crystals are perfectly aligned horizontally and also vertically. Here, the both side horizontally and also they have the vertically arrangement, so that any unit cell of such arrangement of cubic structure, you can be listen on this figure. About the first one, I told you about the linear arrangement. Here, the sphere is contact with the two neighboring spheres. Am I right? The second one, each sphere is contact with the four of its neighboring sphere. Next, about the simple cubic arrangement, the contact is about that 6. Okay, don't forget that the contact is about 6. Next, about one of the very important question. One of the very important question. Please, all of you, Look the figure here. This is about one of the simple cubic arrangement. Okay. There is some free space between the sphere of the single layer and the sphere of the successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by this sphere gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. How can you calculate the packing efficiency of the simple cube arrangement? Means first we have to write one formula. What is the formula means? Packing fraction. Otherwise, we can be say efficiency. Efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. Spheres in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell into 100. Let us consider the cube with an edge length A. Cube means all of you know that on the edge length A. Volume of the cube with the edge length is equal to L into B into H. All of you know that one. That is A into A is equal to A cube. A into A is equal to A cube. R is the radius of the sphere. So, A is equal to 2R. R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to what? A by 2. Okay. Now we can be right about that. Volume of the sphere with radius. One of the formula. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. All if you know that one, R is equal to A by 2. We can be written as that is equal to 4 by 3 pi. What's the value of R? A by 2. A by 2. Here is cube. Am I right? Cube. Make it cube here. So, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi. Here I am going to write like that. A cube. That is A cube means A cube divided by 2. I am going to write means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Am I right? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. Am I right? 8. This 4 and this 4 I am going to cancel here. So I am writing here 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3. Here 6. So we get pi A cube divided by 6. Pi A cube divided by 6. We know the simple cubic arrangement. Previous video I told that in simple cubic arrangement, the number of sphere belongs to a unit cell is equal to 1. Am I right? 1. I explained about the simple cubic. Its value is 1. So the total volume occupied by the sphere is in simple cubic unit cell. The spheres in simple cube unit cell is equal to 1 into, here the 1 into pi A cube divided by 6. 1 into pi A cube divided by 6. This is about the equation 2. The formula is about the equation number 1. Okay. This is about the equation 2. The formula. We then learn about the formula. Formula is equal to equation number 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. We can be written as packing efficiency is equal to packing fraction. Not packing efficiency. Packing fraction is equal to pi A cube divided by 6 divided by the A cube into 100, because the formula is A cube. Am I right? Into 100. A cube I am going to cancel here. So what is the answer here? 100 pi divided by 6. So here we are using pi value is about 22 divided by 7. Okay, 22 divided by 7. We have two values about the pi. One is about the 3.14. We have to use it 22 by 7 into 100 and also 6. Okay, 7 into 6. Here 6 and 22 I am going to cancel here. 6 and 22 I am going to cancel here. 6 means I am writing 3, 22 cancelling and write 11. So 1000 into 100, 100 into 11 is equal to 1100. 100 into 11 is equal to 1100 divided by 7 3s are 21. If I am dividing, I get the answer is 52.38%. 52.38%. Only 52.38% is available volume occupied by the sphere in simple cubic. Next, about the body-centered cubic arrangement. Body-centered cubic arrangement. In this arrangement, the sphere of first layer is slightly separating, and the second layer is formed the arrangement of sphere in the depression between the sphere and layer. Already we learned that one about that AB type. Okay. The third layer is again repeating, and the fourth layer also I am repeating the crystals. So we get AB type arrangement. And about the coordination number is about the 6. Sorry, coordination number is about the 8 for the body centered. We discussed that one. Four neighbors in the layer above the first 4. That is above and below 4. This is the last video we discussed that one. Next, about the packing efficiency of the BCC arrangement. Packing efficiency. We can discuss about the diagram. This is one of the diagram. Can you see this one? The spheres are touching along the leading diagonal and also cube. All the spheres are touching here. I am taking two triangle. One is about that triangle ABC. Please look the figure, all of you. Triangle ABC, and another one is a triangle ACG. This is the point of A, point of B, point of C. Distance between A and B is A. B and C is A. AC means root A. Am I right? And about the ACG means AC distance is root A, and about the CG distance is A. The radius, that is R, 2 or R, 4 are having radius. Okay. We can write the triangle. In triangle ABC, I am taking the AC square. Triangle ABC, AC square is equal to, we can write, is equal to, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Can you understand? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Otherwise, I am going to write AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. Here, what is the length of AC? AB means A, am I right? So we can written as AC is equal to root of AB means A, that is A square. BC also A square plus A square. The length is AB length is A and BC length is A. So A square plus A square. Root of A square plus A square is equal to root of 2. A square, that is equal to root of 2 into A. Next triangle. Triangle ACG. Triangle ACG is equal to AC square plus CG square as per the diagram. What is about the triangle ACG? AG square is equal to AC square plus CG square. Here the given values for AG. I told that previously, I told that about that 4R. AG for 4R. And about the AC, about the root A. AC is about the root A. Value is given here. And about the CG, it's about the values A. So it can be written as 4R square is equal to root of 2A the whole square plus A square. 4R square can be written as 16R square. That is equal to 2A square. That is root of 2 square is equal to, that is can be written as root 2 into root 2, am I right? So we can be written as 2. That is equal to 2. That is root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, am I right? That we can be written as 2. So we can be written as 2A square plus A square. 2A square plus A square means 2 plus 1 means 3A square, am I right? 3A square. 16R square is equal to 3A square. Here I am taking R square is equal to 3A square divided by 16. 3A square divided by 16. Taking root on the both side. Root of R square is equal to root of 3A square divided by 16. 3A square divided by 16. Root 3 means, that is root 3. Root A square can be written as A, am I right? Root A square we can be written as A. Then root 16 is equal to, that is about that, root 4 and root 4, am I right? Root 4 and root 4. That is about the 4. So what's the answer? R is equal to root of 3 A into A divided by 4. Then volume of the sphere with the radius R. Volume of the sphere with the radius R, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi into, what's the value of R? R is equal to root 3 into A divided by 4 whole cube, am I right? Whole cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi into this root 3 cube means, I am writing here root 3 into root 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4, and the a cube I am writing outside. So just I am cancelling here. 1, 4, and next above 4 I am cancelling. Here 3 also. Root 3 means 3. Am I right? So 3 also cancelling. So I am writing here. That is equal to root 3. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 divided by 16 pi into a cube. Here we are discussing now the packing fraction, that is packing efficiency of the body centered cubic. We know that on the body centered unit arrangement is equal to 2. Hence the total volume of the whole sphere, we know that one, that is equal to root of 3 into 16 pi a cube. When I am going to multiply in here into total volume, that is 2 into root of 3 pi a cube divided by 16. So just I am cancelling here 2 and 16. So we get 8. So what's the answer here? Root 3 pi a cube divided by 8. This is about the equation 1. I am considering equation 1. We know the packing fraction. What is the formula there? Already we discussed that one. What is the formula here? Packing fraction, otherwise efficiency, is equal to total volume occupied by spheres. Total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. This is the formula. Don't forget that. Packing fraction formula, efficiency formula, total volume occupied by the sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell divided by 100. Okay. Now we are writing the formula. We are applying here. Total volume occupied by the sphere in a unit cell is equal to that is about the root of 3 pi a cube divided by 8. That is about the total volume occupied by the sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume you know that one. That is about the a cube into 100. So packing fraction is equal to this value. A cube I am going to cancel here. A cube cancelling. So which are the remaining? Is equal to root 3 into pi divided by 8 into 100. Just I am going to multiply in this value. Here I am taken as a pi value. Pi value is equal to 3.14 into root 3 value 1.732, root 3 value 1.732 into 100 divided by 8. Am I right? 100 divided by 8. First I am going to divide this one. 100 divided by 8 is equal to value 12.5. So 1.732 means root 3 value 1.732 into but the pi value is about that 3.14 into 12.5. So I am multiplying, ordinary multiplication. 1.732 into 3.14 means I get the value is about that 5.43848. When you are multiplying 1.732 into 3.14, 5.43848 into 12.5. So I get the value is about that 67.98100. This is the value I get. I'm round up this one. So I'm getting 68 percentage. What's the percentage? 68 percentage. Here 68 percentage is the available volume is occupied. Okay. This space, this available space is used more efficiently than in the simple cubic packing. Okay. So please all of you learn this question. Packing efficiency. Today I am giving the two questions. Please learn the two questions for the assignment. One is about that packing efficiency of simple cubic, packing efficiency of body centered cubic, BCC. Packing efficiency of simple cubic, packing efficiency of body centered cubic. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.